Got everything disconnected from the bottom side of the engine, exhaust manifold. Got the trans bolt loose. It's actually ready to start coming up. You just have to go down there, raise up the trans a bit so it can clear that member. I think I'll just pull them both if it lets me, but if not, I'll just unbolt them. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Jack out the rear of the trans real quick, pull her out and get her on the stand. I'm gonna go ahead and take out the master cylinder and the reservoir because that shit is all in the way. Like, if I can get that out, all the shit is coming out. So I'm gonna knock that out real quick. Just 2 bolts, pull her off. That was just the right amount of hell yeah, brother. I need it. So got that out. Look at that shit. Oh my god. It's making a fat mess. Let me hurry up. I can put something down for that shit for it be going down the street. I'm gonna go ahead and get the transmission off right now. This is pretty heavy to try to move around. Transmission off right here. Drop it right here. Tap it off. Get this 5.0 in there on the engine stand. Start carrying her down. That was kind of stressful. So my 17 is a bit occupied right now. Fuck it. But that's I'm pretty sure that's a 17 millimeter. I'm gonna smack it with the hammer a few times, heat it up to ensure I get that off properly without breaking anything. Because if that breaks, kind of a bad day, you know, not terrible. It would just slow down the process a lot. So I'm gonna, I'll give her a couple. Just made it to Ace. I'm gonna go in here and grab these bolts really quick. Dust. Damn. Big ass shop I work in, bro. We don't have none of these. They're kind of thick in the middle. So I'll give you all the part number and everything. Need 4 of them. Got him. Mash them up, the threads. You couldn't see any light through them. I just need them long enough to go through the engine stand. They are 3/8 and 2.5 inches long. $229 a piece. I spent $9.98. Let's get this engine on the stand, man.
I trust no one.
Start tearing it down. I got the fan on, so that's why I'm kind of talking loud. Go ahead and start draining the oil. You get the spark plugs out. You get the headers off. The other valve cover off. Top to bottom. Bam, bam, bam. You know. Look at that shit, man. I still don't. Oh my god. Ugh.